We are out of the foil, we have rested, we are out of the pan, and this is what we have. I'm going to get in a little closer here. You can see everything is baked in nicely. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to take my knife over here, and what we will do is we'll find the center and we will cut straight down here. Get that, and what I am then going to do is spin this. Oh, I apologize for the angle. We are going to come across this way. Okay. I definitely could have let it set up a little bit more, but you can see the inside is completely cooked. And if we turn this way, there is our slice. All the lovely layers, everything looking pretty good.